The atmospheric river's really been dumping a lot of rain on the Modesto area. A bunch of downed trees and other storm debris that's been, blocking roads, blocking homes, and, clogging up some parks.
We've been going around from local parks and residential homes, bucking and limbing.
And so we've been out here with some chainsaws and other tools, breaking it up into more reasonable pieces for other groups to collect. As long as there's sun shining, we're basically going all around town and stopping at various addresses. We want to be on there to clear it up as fast as we can.
You constantly have to be ready to go in a vehicle, drive for about like 5-10 minutes, get out, get all your gear ready, and then just get onto that tree.
I've kind of learned that we're always needed somewhere because that we're always on call.
When you go to many different houses and you speak to many different homeowners, you see that you are helping make a difference.
Even though, the work is certainly difficult at times, I'd say I'm able to work past it because I know the good work we're putting in is impacting a bunch of people's lives.